Hi guys, welcome to the virtual code box. Today I will be discussing on comparable versus comparator. It is a most asked interview question. Now let's see the definition. Comparable object is capable of comparing itself with another object. The class itself must implement the java.lang.Comparable interface to compare its instances. Whereas comparator is external to the element type which we are comparing. It's a separate class. We can create multiple separate classes to compare by different members. Now let's switch over to the IDE. Here I have created a class app. It contains the two lists. One is list of mobiles and other is list of laptops. And yeah, created two projects. One is mobile, one is laptop. Here there are three members, which is brand, RAM, price. Created a constructor to initialize that object. It contains the setters and getters method. And overrided the toString method. The same thing with the laptop. Brand, RAM, price, three members, and a constructor to initialize that object and setter getter and override the toString method. Now first let's see how we can implement comparable. Mobile implements comparable mobile. Whenever we are implementing the comparable interface, we need to override the compare to method. If this dot get is greater than o.get, so we'll be returning 1, else return -1. Now let's switch over to the main class. Now let's sort the mobile list. We'll be using collections.sort. I'll be passing the mobiles. Now let's print the collection for mobiles. Files out. Now let us run the code. See whether it is being sorted by RAM. Yes. So RAM size 8, 12, 16. So now this list is sorted by the RAM. Here to implement the comparable interface, we have modified the main class. Whereas now let's see the comparator. So for comparator, so let's say collections.sort. So I'll be passing laptops, comma, comparator. Okay, let's o1.get, let's say price, o2.get. Now let's return 1, else return -1. Now let's print this collection for laptop, out. Now let's run the code and see. Now they should sort by price. Yes, 800, 1000, 1500. Now this is by using a comparator, and this by using the comparable interface. This is the main difference between the comparator and comparable. When asked in interview, this is the way we need to explain to the interviewer. Now let's summarize the things. Comparable provides a single sorting sequence. In other words, we can sort the collection on the basis of a single element such as brand, RAM, and price in the previous example which we have discussed. The comparator provides multiple sorting sequence. In other words, we can sort the collection on the basis of the multiple elements such as brand, RAM, and price, etc. Comparable affects the original class, means the actual class is modified to implement the comparable interface. Whereas comparator does not affect the original class, the actual class is not modified. Comparable provides the compare to method to sort the elements, and the comparator provide compare method to sort elements. Comparable is present in java.lang package and comparator is present in java.util package. And it is a functional interface, and we need to remember this difference. We can sort the list of elements of comparable type by using the collections.sort, and we'll be passing that list as we seen in the example. We can sort the list of comparator type by collections.sort by passing the list comma comparator method. I hope you like the video, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel.